In today's video, I'll show you how to build AI agents in N8N quickly. Start by opening your browser and going to the official N8N website. Sign in or create an account if you don't have one. Next, decide what will trigger your AI agent. This could be a chat message, webhook, scheduled event, or manual action. Connect this trigger node to your AI agent node, which tells it when to act. Choose a backup location for your data, like Google Drive or a local folder, to keep everything secure. You can also enable memory so your agent remembers previous interactions, making responses more coherent. Add any external tools your agent needs, such as web searches, databases, or APIs, and decide how it will receive input, directly from the trigger or another method. Finally, set how your agent will respond, whether in a chat, email, or another output format. And that's it, your AI agent in N8N is ready to automate tasks and interact intelligently. Keep experimenting to optimize its performance.